In order to actually start using Orchestrator, the process is pretty simple. First thing you need to do is go to the Setup menu, which you can find by clicking Setup in the top right corner of your Salesforce homepage. And then, under Process Automation, you're going to want to click on Flows. Orchestrator lives on the Flows list page. And so in order to create a new orchestration, you're just going to click on New Flow. Go to All plus Templates, and navigate to the Orchestrator tab. And from here, you can select one of two types of orchestrations that we have available. Auto-launched orchestrations, which, much like auto-launch flows, are manually invoked by some sort of code that you'd write in order to actually start the orchestration. And record-triggered orchestrations, which, like record-triggered flows, can launch on a specific custom record-based trigger. And so since we want our process to start every time a new case is logged, we can use a record-triggered orchestration and set the condition specific to this. So after hitting Create New Orchestration, we are presented with the orchestration builder. And from here, what we want to do is click on the Start node and click Edit. And this will allow us to modify our trigger. And since we are working on a case management orchestration, let's select Case. And let's select whenever a new case is created. So we're going to keep the trigger to happen whenever a record is created of this type. And we'll add in one specific condition to ensure that we're only focused on new cases. And so the way that we do that is we make sure that the status is equal to new. That way, if somebody wants to retroactively add in a case that isn't new, maybe it was in the working or escalated stage and they forgot to log it earlier, that won't factor into this case management orchestration because it may end up kicking off a really early stage that we don't want to happen. So we'll only focus on new cases. Now let's hit Save and save this orchestration.